Hey! In this episode, we don't have just one, we have 2 pieces of mail for the mail call. Hey, welcome in, guys. My name's Green Tommy. This is my channel, Straight 6 Fan. Let's see if I got this right. Straight 6 Fan Pistons tee. Link in the description below if you want one of these. Anyway, this is my channel, Straight 6 Fan, where I like to focus on budget-minded, creative, relatable builds. And today we have a mail call. It is the first Tuesday of the month, first Tuesday of November. Does that mean it's election day, or is it the second Tuesday? Anyway, if it's not this, I'm pre-recording this, so if you haven't voted, go out and vote. But anyway, we have 2 pieces of mail today. I've been trying to limit these to once a month, so first Tuesday of the month is what I'm doing. This is going to be a little bit longer than a Tuesday short, but our first piece of mail comes from our buddy Frank Fanelli, and if I didn't get that right, you will know for sure by this Friday, because this Friday he is my guest on the next Know Your Neighbors. And uh-oh, there we go. I thought maybe you forgot the sticker. Pretty sweet artwork, sweet sticker, I love it. Frank is a heck of a guy, mostly a Mopar guy. A lot of his builds you're gonna find, he's got a lot of Mopar builds going on. Anywhere from, oh, you should check out his hauler truck he just picked up. It's pretty sweet. Reminds me again a lot of that grandeur I have for wanting to turn like an old wheat truck into a project vehicle. But he's got probably at least 3 different Mopars going, and he has a late 70s Camaro build as well. So check his channel out, Frank Fanelli Restoration, at FFanelli66 on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below, but there's a close-up on the Instagram handle. Super nice note from Frank as well. But let's get to our second piece of mail, and that comes to us from Twisterd R Racing. Got 2 stickers out of the deal, or maybe one's just more like a card, I don't know. 2 stickers probably. But Twisterd R Racing, of course, he does a lot of racing motor builds, and like if you're not familiar with that sport, he has a pretty high level of fabrication and customization. I freaking love his current build. It's got like the realistic flame job on it, but it's like a blue on black, so that's pretty slick. But it's time to get these guys up on the toolbox. Again, if you want to swap stickers with me, the best way to do that is go to Instagram, follow me on Instagram or Twitter or both. Hit me up in the direct messages, and that's going to be a great way that we can exchange addresses or whatever. But we're going to get them up on the toolbox. Guys, thanks for watching, and let's do that. Just a little insider tip, trick, pointer. I think it's a kind of extra class move if you have a custom shape sticker. It's not to say there's anything wrong with the square or circle, but kudos to Frank. I mean, this thing's just BA. So we will, looks like we got a nice little spot here above Pappy's corner under Old Car Auto Guy. Slip his sticker in, and Twisterd R. I don't know which one of these is more accurate, but for what it's worth, I guess. I am a fan more of this one, so I think this is the one we will put on the box. And it looks like, well, same size as Novataz, but we don't really want to cover anybody's stuff up. So let's go under Duke's small engines and start filling in that way. Guys, check their channels out. Links to their channels in the description below. I appreciate you tuning in, opening up your mind to potentially following some new channels. That'll do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.